Here I am. Instead of doing brake work on my cars, I'm going to be doing some brush cutting. The hay is pretty crappy. It's not even worth baling. But that we don't have the room for it. So I got the tractor I learned how to drive tractor on. It's farmall H. I don't know what year it is. She's a pretty wore out, sad excuse of a tractor. But I love it. Just gotta wear gloves while driving it. My uncle just put brand new tires on it literally the other day. So, but we got the little brush cutter here. So we're gonna do a little bit of brush cutting. Pull the lever up back here. Finished brush cutting all the grass and stuff like that, so it don't get too thick or whatever, and did it just in time. Kind of hard to probably tell, but as soon as I finished, it started downpouring, and I just made it inside the shed. Like, shut the door and it just whoosh, just started pouring. So perfect timing.